Hey guys, it's Neil from GoGo Refresh Media, and I am on location today doing a factory tour. If you buy from Vistar, in the frozen food section of this book is the Galant Food Company. And today they've opened up their factory to show us their amazing products and tell us about their history. So come on inside and let's go meet them. Hey guys, it's Neil here from GoGo Refresh Media, and I've got a very exciting a plant tour today with Josh Galant. And Josh, appreciate you letting us come in today.
Thank you. We're so excited to have you.
Yeah, so hey, real quick, give us a little summary of how long you guys have been in business.
Yeah, so the original company started in 1956 in San Francisco, and it was a family of Russian Greeks that were making piroshkis, delivering them to corner stores, markets, and delis all over the city. And then in the 90s, my grandparents bought it and basically kept doing the same thing. So then about 15 years ago, my father bought this plant here, couldn't afford it at the time, and I withdrew from college and I joined him, and we went to battle together to save this thing. And we started the brand Clara's Kitchen, and fortunately to this day, we actually still make the original piroshkis. It's a legacy product for us. We still do the same process, and proud to keep doing it.
Yeah, I love it. Hey, so the food industry in the vending and micro market space is really competitive. What sets you guys apart?
It comes down to the quality, and I can't wait to show you guys the plant and show you how we do it and why we do it. But increasingly, micro market operators, that micro market, it's got to be an amenity for your employees. It can't be a gas station. And in order to be an amenity, you got to provide amenity quality products, higher quality products. And that's the world we live in. There's plenty of sun for everybody out there, right? But our thing is, let's do better ingredients, better packaging, better quality. Our logo, our brand is Clara's Kitchen, my grandma. If we're putting her face and her name on that product, believe me, we take pride in it, and we make sure to put out the best quality product.
What does the next couple of years look like for you guys?
Just getting the word out there. Meeting these micro market operators, showing them the value our products provide for them. And honestly, so much these folks reach out to us. They find us online, or they see our products in a retail store, and they say, hey, I want to put that in my market. And they reach out to say, how do I get it? And most always it's through Vistar. And so our challenge is, how do we get in front of the right people? Because once we are able to get in front of them, they become customers of Clara's Kitchen.
All right, this is really exciting stuff. Let's go into the factory and check it all out.
Let's get you a hairnet.
Let's do it.
Yep. So like I mentioned, when it comes to our cheeses, we use all natural, RBST-free. This right here is aged cheddar. Right off the block, we shred it fresh into all of our burritos, into some of our breakfast sandwiches, and doesn't get any fresher than this, right off the block. So one of the big things we do that's different than any other burrito company out there is we actually dice our own potatoes. So many other companies out there, they buy pre-made potatoes, and it has a nasty ingredient in there, disodium dihydrogen. That's something we'd never allow in any of our products. So we actually take whole potatoes from the farm, we dice it up, and out comes this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful diced potato that we're gonna cook up and put into our burritos. But guys, right over here we have our blast chiller. This is where we stabilize all the hot product, bagel dogs, eggs, potatoes, before we process them. So, I don't know if the lighting is good enough in here, but you'll see these are rosemary potatoes that we're putting in our breakfast burritos. And man, I wish you could smell it. It smells like you'd get at a restaurant, and that's the idea, is restaurant quality, fresh quality in your burrito. All right, guys, right here, what we have, this is our dough mixer. Mixes up 400 pounds of dough at a time. And today they're mixing up some bagel dough for for our bagel dogs, our Clara's Kitchen bagel dogs. You got to say it with the right New York accent. So this right here is a proofer box. And so we're putting the bagel dog in a high moisture, medium temp environment that lets that yeast start eating the sugars and rise and get that real soft, fluffy bagel dough we're looking for. We have our jumbo beef bagel dogs, and these are fresh out of the oven. Oh, I wish they invented smell-o-vision. I wish you could smell it. Fresh baked bagel with an all beef frank on the inside. And really, with this product, in order to get a bagel, you need that bagel crust and bagel shine. And it comes down to these special ovens we have that steam it just like you would a boiled bagel. And that's how you get that bagel bite, right here in these ovens. Look at that.
All right, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Smell it before you bite.
I'm gonna need to try one with you.
Yeah, no,
so we're on the same page.
Quarter-pound dog, New York style, juicy, smoky garlic. No mustard needed.
Oh yeah, that is good, man.
Yeah.
And that's no bologna.
The finished product freezer is really the culmination of all the early mornings and ingredient prep and packaging. It all comes down to right here, the finished product that we're gonna be ready to ship to customers all over the country. And we cannot wait for you to try them, for you to use them in your markets, for you to share them with your friends and family. This is our Benny's Bagel Dog brand. Kind of a legacy product. The bagel dogs, you got a chance to try some just now. They're awesome. These are just a smaller 5-ounce variety.
Hey, if you want to talk about core products in your micro market, you can talk about Snicker bars, you can talk about Lay's potato chips, Pepsi and Coke. This product here is definitely up there with those brands. It is so tasty. Oh my gosh, the freezer's working perfectly. Hey, so Josh, you know, what an amazing operation. What is the secret sauce to what you guys are doing here?
Oh, the secret. You know, I usually don't share that, but since it's us girls here, really the secret is
Really makes sense.
and that's all I have to say about that.
Yeah, well, that's all they needed to hear.
So this whole Clara's Kitchen process starts in the production floor, starts in the early mornings, goes through all the magic we add to it, into the freezer, and it always ends on the back of a truck.
That's right.
So here we are.
And that's on the back of the truck to going out to all Vistar locations nationally.
That's right. So from the back of our truck to hopefully to the back of your truck on the way to your markets and on the way to your customers.
Exactly. Well, Josh, seriously, man, what a fun tour. What an amazing family business you guys have got. Good luck with everything. And I'm so happy that you got us in here today to do this.
Thank you so much.